Hi everyone, back here again for another video. Today, let me show you two keyboard and mouse combo that you can pair with your iPad. This video is to showcase a low budget, very affordable setup, but still will help you be productive using your iPad, or maybe your Windows laptop too. These are full-size keyboards with a numeric keypad, so if you're working on a lot of numbers, this setup may be interesting for you. So let's have a look at the first combo and the black pair if you are into darker colors. This is the Logitech MK345 wireless combo. It does not say here in Amazon's page, but the mouse is called M275. For those of you in the US, this is not showing as available in Logitech's website, but I found some on sale in Amazon. This can come in as cheap as $31.50. If you're looking for this directly from Logitech's website, this seems to be not available in all countries. I found it available in Logitech's website, like in India for example, but seems it is cheaper in Amazon. For other countries in Asia like Philippines, Malaysia, and Indonesia, the price in Logitech is cheaper compared to Amazon, but it will redirect you to either the online shops like Lazada or Shopee. So for the price, this keyboard and mouse combo can come at around $30 to $40 US depending on where you're buying it. You will need to have a dongle though, since the keyboard and the mouse are connecting to the iPad via the USB receiver. For me, I got this cheap adapter from Lazada at around 200 Thai baht, which is approximately $6.50. But when I checked on Amazon, the cheapest and what looks like to be compatible with the iPad will cost at around $11.99 US. In total then, the price of this setup with the keyboard, mouse, and a dongle will cost you at around $40 to $50 US. Getting this at this price range, of course, we shouldn't be expecting something amazing. However, it should work. This is all plastic and the keyboard keys are same as those of standard PC keyboards. It's not great, but it works. The keys are bigger than what I'm used to, and I'm also not used to having the numerical keypads as I prefer a smaller sized keyboard. And if you've been into my channel, you know I love my K380 keyboard. This is a full-sized keyboard, so it comes with the numeric keypad. Comes in handy and will make it easy for you if you're working a lot on spreadsheets and numbers. Also, what I think is nice about this keyboard is the wrist rest. It is quite comfortable to use. It also comes with a kickstand if you want to type on a higher angle. Even if this is a cheap keyboard and it connects by the USB receiver, I don't notice any lags in typing, which makes it a good experience. So here are some typing tests that I did on monkeytype.com, so you can hear how the typing is like on this keyboard. The keyboard is configured more for Windows, but most of the keys work on the iPad, but some don't work like F4 or the insert, pause, break, scroll lock. Some of the functions that work are those for media controls, but to make it work, I need to press it with the function key and then the F7 or F8 or F9 media control keys. If you want to change to other language aside from English, unfortunately, there's no dedicated key to do that. The workaround that I found is to use the caps lock key. So how to do it? First, you have to change the language manually from the on-screen keyboard. Once you have changed it, hide the on-screen keyboard and it should type in that other language that you have selected. Then, use the caps lock key to switch languages. As for the mouse, it's not amazing, but it works. The mouse scroll is not that smooth and it's not that good, but not to the point that it's unusable. It's still very much acceptable. And the scrolling and clicking works okay, and it's not a silent mouse though. And same with other mice, Logitech mice that I've used. In the settings, I can change it to turn on or turn off natural scrolling. So if it's turned off, then it will scroll like how it is in like Windows PC. So what do you guys think about this combo? Let me know in the comment section down below. And I'm also interested to know who are already using this. Let us know your experience and share some tips. Now let's move to the next combo, which is the total opposite of the MK345 combo. The MK470 combo is also a full-sized keyboard, but this time we have it in white. Also, the opposite of MK345 is that this MK470, as the name states, is the slim wireless combo. It's a combo with the M340 mouse that looks like the Pebble mouse. I like the white and gray color scheme and the minimal design, and of course I like the keys. This has low-key travel, which I really like. It types quietly with satisfying clicks. This is a Windows-oriented keyboard, so the function keys will work on the iPad, but I need to hold on to the function key and then press F9, for example, to turn on mute, or press function and F11 to increase the volume. As this is a full-sized keyboard, this also has the numeric keypad, and so this is good for those who work a lot on Excel or work a lot on numbers. If you want to know more about this keyboard, I made a video about this last year, so check it out. I added a link in the description box below. Now here's a typing test on the K470 keyboard. As for the mouse, I like using this because this is a silent mouse. It looks like the Pebble mouse, but the M340 connects via the USB receiver. Nothing much to say really about this mouse, as there are no customizations that you can do here. But I've used this mouse in several of my videos, so check it out in the description box if you want to know more. Now for the pricing, this combo, if we look at Logitech's website, it costs around $49.99. In Amazon, and also I looked up in Lazada or Shopee here in Asia, there are some cheaper options, but some that are also more expensive. So just keep looking for the good price, but of course from a reliable seller. So in total, the price to use this combo with the iPad will be around $60 to $65. That is plus the USB adapter that is required to plug in the USB receiver. It's not always that we have to spend a lot of money to have a good setup. Logitech offers these two super inexpensive combos. Even if it mainly works with Windows, it truly works with the iPad too. So I'd say if you really are on a tight budget, you can consider one of this. Full-size keyboard with mouse, where the price range is around $30 to $50 or $60. These are not mind-blowing devices, but it's not that bad too. So that's it. Thanks for watching.